Lake Monger Swale Refurbishment project is a project that's been funded by the Department of Water and Environmental Regulation. Swales are channels that run along the east side of the lake. They take stormwater from off the freeway side, and that water will go through slow-moving channels to strip nutrients and contaminants, sediments from the water. The nutrient stripping swales were once quite shallow and they were densely planted with reeds or sedges, but over time these channels have been deepened. We've lost the sedges that we had before, and so the nutrients aren't being stripped from the water in the same way that they were. So we're aiming to do some earthworks to make the channel nice and shallow again, plant it up densely with reeds, and then that water will slowly trickle through the channels and strip nutrients and contaminants from the water, so it's cleaner when it enters the lake. As the channel water hits the lake, it'll be a lot cleaner, and that will help to reduce algal blooms in summer. That'll help to attract wildlife to the lake. Since about 2002, there's been a she oak that's been planted along the channels and has been taking over. The two key problems with that she oak are, one, that it outcompetes other things. It's invasive and it doesn't allow other native species to grow. And secondly, it produces a chemical which, when in the soil, prevents things from growing. So this is an example of a she oak. It's a young one. There's lots of these that are popping up around the lake and they take over. So it has this chemical that it secretes into the soil that stops other native species from growing. So once we've reduced these, we can get the sedges into the channel and other native species around, which will support wildlife around the lake. We're looking to undertake the earthworks and the tree removal in summer, which is when the lake level is lowest and it makes the best sense. And then in May and June, we'll be doing all of the planting. So planting the sedges first through the channel and then putting all those native species back into that habitat. The project is due to finish at the end of June once planting has been completed, and that'll be great timing when we have winter rains that will assist with plant establishment.